Hi folks, this is Nal from Best RV in Turlock, California. We got the brand new Wildwood FSX. Now you tell me, what is Wildwood FSX? Wildwood FSX, they make it single axle travel trailers. They make it so light and well built. It's fully contemporary. I like the colors. It's like white, beige, black, gray. So it's amazing. Now what is behind me is the two most sellable floor plans. We have the 174DBL and we have 164FB. So what this unit is, 17 foot with double over double bunk, a dinette and a bed in the front. This one, the 164FB, I mean again, front bedroom. This has a full walk around queen bed, a dinette and a big bathroom in the back. But I want to show you the nice look what they did this time. They add a big paneling. If you notice, the panel in the front, they're so big. So this is nice metal in the front, one here at the top, and then this is like the diamond in the front, a nice propane tank. And also they did a bigger paneling and they put the white with the gray. I mean, it dressed it up big time for the 2026. Give you the rough look. If you notice, very little bit kind of rough. Pass-through storage, it's amazing. Plus all the beds you access from inside as well outside. This particular unit is the 164FBLE single axle. It has two stabilizer jack in the back, power awning with LED, big window, 6-gallon hot water heater. As well, you have a big bumpers in the back, a spare tire with the cover, backup camera prep, leopard expandable prep, cable hookup, 30 amp power cord, and it's actually separate cord so you don't have to shovel it in. This is the place for your sewage for the black and the gray. City water connections. I mean, there's not much on the trailers, but the look of it, they make it so nice and beautiful. Now let's look to the next one we have over here is 174DBLE, double bunk. That is, it's not a single bunk, it's the big one, and there are two of them in the back corner with the bathroom. Same thing, power awning with LED, two stabilizer jack, a bumper, a spare tire with the cover, backup camera prep, ladder prep, 30 amp plug, 6-gallon hot water heater, and a big storage in the front. Again, the storage accessible from inside as well outside. So these are the outside features of the Forest River Wildwood FSX, and these are the 2026 models. Now we're gonna go inside and see each one. We're inside the brand new 2026 Wildwood FSX 164FB. As you see, they start coming with the L-Lounge dinette with a big window, as you see, which is give you a really nice look. Even I like this little tiny curtain. They try to make it like a house. They try to make a residential look inside, and that's what they are doing, especially from the colors of the marbles of the countertop. As well, the kitchen is very roomy, as you see. Storage underneath, big storage over here. I like the fans with lights. And then you have a big kitchen. Look how big the counter. I put my espresso, toaster, margarita mixer, you name it. 2-burner stove, nice country sink. Storage here for your silverware, dishes, more storage here for cooking pan, and this is for your tinsel doors. You have 3, and then this one they give you the big fridge, as you see, the freezer and the fridge. I love what they did. Finally, no more side AC. They give you roof AC in the top, and it's a big one. I mean, the same AC they use in the big trailers. Beautiful walk around bed, and you have a closet on both sides, hanging shirt as well. You have accessible from here, so if you have CPAP machines or breathing machines or laptop or iPad, books, bottled waters, you have room. And then you have a full queen bed in the front, and you could see there's a storage. You could put your shoes here as well. This one is a full storage from outside as well. You could access it from inside. There's on that corner, I could put a TV hookup right there on a swing arm. That's give you that option. They give you everything. I mean, I don't know what to add except if I want to add TV, and that's it. This is a big deal. I'm gonna point this one because I want to explain to you, a lot of manufacturers these days, they start tricking the customers by going on a travel trailers, and you see a beautiful fireplace here. So the customers, they say, oh honey, or the wife, she's gonna, oh look, we got a nice beautiful fireplace, same what we have in our house. Yes, beautiful. That will produce you heat if you are plugged in offshore or generator. But listen, if I'm parking next to the beach, middle of nowhere, and I want heat because I'm getting cold, well, in the other unit, you're out of luck. You have to have portable generator or offshore. With this unit, no, I'm not out of luck. Why? Because I have a thermostat. I could run this, you see this thermostat right here? I could turn it on, and you see my heater, do you hear the sound? And I'll start getting heat from this heater, from this furnace, off the propane. So this is very important. Please do not make that mistake, is buying unit with a fireplace and this kind of small trailer single axle, because they're using the fireplace and replacing of the furnace. And some customer came in complaining, say, hey, now you forced me to go buy our generators. Well, they force you, not us. But we give you a furnace in this unit. That's the most important part. Now let's go back here. Isn't it beautiful, this bathroom? And other brands, they don't give you sink in the bathroom. Notice a lot of them, they start not taking the sink away. But this particular Wildwood FSX, what I like about it, they give you the sink, they give you place for towels, sheets, towels, like a medicine cabinet, very roomy toilet, and then very roomy shower with a fan. That's a big deal. I mean, I have a fan in my bathroom and nice shower head. Finally start listening. And then I like this curve of this shower bar. It's very roomy for elbows. For tall people, they could get their head here, no problem. Space on next to the sink for hair dryers, makeup, whatever you want to put over there. So you could see how roomy this bathroom comparing the unit. So 164 FBLE, 16-foot front queen, rear bath, loaded, and it's very light, only 3,000 pounds, and you could pull it with your small B. Folks, I'm inside the 174DBL, and what does mean DB is mean double over double bunk and double over double. Same thing. I'm not gonna go talk too much because this is same all the Wildwood FSX. The J lounge, I call it the J lounge. It give you really nice seating area, the 2 storage in the top. And then when you look at the kitchen, same amenities, a huge counter space for your coffee maker, toaster, espresso, 2 burner range, 3 tinsel doors as you see, no issue, place for cooking pans and or trash can, whatever you like. The fridge and the freezer, the big one, and this is very important, as we mentioned in before, it has a furnace. They don't fake you with a fireplace. So I could run this furnace, I could heat my unit even when I'm in the middle of nowhere by using the propane and the battery. I love what they start doing, the big roof AC in the top, not the side AC. Beautiful queen bed in the front, sleep easy 2 people. There's a storage here, hanging clothes, shelf, and again, we talked this before, the bed is accessible from inside and outside, so you could see the storage accessible from inside and outside. Perfect, double over double. This is where is the money. This is worth $1 million. Big bunk, no more single bunk, no more small bunk. You have the double over double, and you have one in the top, sleep easy 2 kid or big adults, 2 here, so I could sleep 6 to 7, is depending on the size. Big storage underneath that bunk, and this bunk is, want to show you, I could reverse it, voila. So as you see, it's a full storage. From underneath the bed, you could store all kind of stuff. Also, you bring it down, you could sleep 2 people. Again, I love this, what they did, they give you a fan over this in the kitchen when you cook, so you could use it to get the smell out. And the bathroom, love this curved mirror. This is nice, they start doing on these. Wildwood is very well known, try to get things like a house look, residential, and that's what they do. Nice sink with a little bit of air prep area, place for your towels, room for knees, and then you have the big shower with the big shower head. And as you see, it's very roomy. You could give the kids a bath in this unit. And again, 17 foot with double over double. Normally, all the 17 foot you see in the market, only single bunk. This one has double over double. Come to Best RV and grab the Wildwood FSX 174DB, and we have it at price only for $16.99. $16.99. Would you buy this one?